皆さん、こんにちは。日本語を勉強しましょう。今日のトピックは Japanese writing です。So for today's topic is about Japanese writing. There are three types of Japanese writing: kanji, hiragana, and katakana. This is a typical example of a sentence. It's a mixture of the three types: kanji yung red, hiragana yung green, katakana yung blue. Okay? So yung kanji minasang is Chinese character. So derived from Chinese characters this ne. So ideographs and that can base meaning as well as sound. Ideograph something like drawing. So yung red part, 'di ba, may dalawang red diyan. So dalawang kanji 'yan. Yung left is hana. So 'di ba binigkas ko merong sound, merong meaning. Then yung hiragana naman minasang is hiragana at katakana, purely representing sound like sa alphabet natin na ABCD, 'di ba nagre-represent 'yun ng sound. Yung hiragana at katakana, yung difference is yung hiragana is ginagamit sa native Japanese words, grammatical particles, and word endings. So example sa word ending, sa example nito, ikimas. Ito is kanji, kima, ikimas. Yung green part is naka-hiragana. So word ending, particle is he, to, at wa. Desu ne. To, wa. Then another one, katakana, used to write foreign name. So, tayo, hindi tayo native Japanese. So, yung pangalan natin is nakasulat sa katakana. Loan words, mga hiram na salita, gagamitin doon sa Japan. Onomatopoeia, words that imitate sounds. Like example, mga yung sound ng ulan, pagbukas mo ng door, yan yung mga onomatopoeia, nakakatakana yan. An emphasis. Okay? So, another one, meron tayong Romaji, Roman character. So, ito is parang English letters, no? Minasang, nababasa natin. Yung Romaji is ginagamit din sa Japan, typically sa mga train station para at least masulat nila yung name ng station para at least alam natin. Kasi kung beginner talaga tayo, hindi natin alam yung hiragana at katakana, hindi natin mababasa yung nakasulat doon. So, mayroong mga Romaji nakasulat doon sa Japan. So, another one, yung English translation ng itong sentence na to is, Mr. Hanamichi is going to the department store with Miss Rika. So, Hanamichi sang wa, Rika sang to, depato e ikimas. So, yan is, i-discuss natin yan sa N5 lessons. Ito is yung translation. So, another one, meron tayong typical na translation ng Japanese to English. So, ito yung 1, then 2, 2, 3, 4. So, pansin nyo, sa Nihongo, medyo naiba yung order sa English. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, i-discuss din natin yan sa lesson proper.